Hey everybody! So today we're going to be doing the twisted chain stitch, and I have my burlap and yarn and needle just so you can see everything kind of supersized and really see what's going on. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to come up through our fabric, and we're going to be running this just like we were going to do a normal chain to begin with. We're going to make our loop, we're going to bring this down. Now whatever side you like to loop on, you're going to go on the opposite side just above the where you came out, and you're going to go on the opposite side and put in a take a stitch there and then come back up where your chain end is going to be. And as you can see, this makes this nice little twist on there. Okay, so we're going to try another one. So I want to loop on this side right now, so if I'm looping on this side, I'm going to put my stitch in on the opposite side of where I'm looping. And I'm just going to pull that up there so I can make my chain, and voila. And you kind of want to keep them close together. It gives a nice twisting effect. It's a little bit hard on the burlap because everything's so far apart, but I think you get the idea. Let's put another one in here. So I'm going to do another chain, and I'm going to come in again. I'm bringing my thread this way, so on the opposite side here, I'm going to run my stitch and come up there to make my catch, and just going to keep going like that, and that is the twisted chain stitch. Real pretty one, got a lot of dimension to it. I hope you can give it a try. Alright, see you again. Bye!